Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? I am on the outside. If you hear any dog barking, any breeze blowing, because it is very windy. Yeah, I can tell you that much, that today is very windy. So if you hear any breeze, anything at all, any bees buzzing, I am on the outside. All right, so listen now guys, we're going to do some roast yam and roast sweet potato, and we're going to also roast this nice piece of saltfish that you see I have in my hand here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it to soak for a couple of hours. Alright, so I'm going to throw some water upon it and put up some lime and put on it and allow that to soak. But I'm not going to boil it. I'm just going to soak out most of the salt that is used to cure it. Alright guys, so cutting my lime. And we're going to squeeze everything out on this, both seed, everything. I'm going to drop all the lime skin in it. Yeah. This lime full of juice, juicy. I love it when the lime is juicy. My finger won't get so much work. You know how I try to squeeze out what is not in there. You know them type of lime there? Whoa, what juice. Yeah man, so this is the saltfish. So the most important thing is that you use a lot of water to soak it. Use whole heap of water. Put it in a big something. Don't put it in a small thing, because remember, so them use salt to cure it. Yeah? And you're not going to boil this to boil out any of the salt. You're going to soak it, and you're going to soak this for 1.5 hours. Or if you do it overnight, it is best. You know you're going to roast some saltfish. You just put it overnight for soak. So I have this big lime here, guys. So we want to see if whole heap of juice in it, like them little lime here. See how this big? Yeah, this is big, alright. Let me cut this and show you what I go on, because this is the last lime I put on it. You see the amount of lime I have on it, guys? You know, say that half is soak out. Yeah, man, it's full of juice too, man. Wow. Yeah, man, so we're going to soak this for 1.5 hours, alright? And then we roast him up. And get down in him right away. Alright, guys. Run at the backyard again. I rig up a little thing. You know? We roast some yam, as I tell you before, yeah, and some sweet potato and saltfish. And you know, say this a dish is a dish where Jamaicans love. So the fire we are catch up right about now. So this is how they catch up the fire without using kerosene oil. So who does chip up and something?
Call it in a cring. Easily catch and make the fire blaze faster. Remember guys, cring. Normally they use some like a cashew maca, but it's a homemade one. Still catch a fire fast, you know?
Catch all the bashit, guys. Because the bashit they rust.
Oh, I really think this chopping a heel.
Oh my lord. Yes guys, summer 2023. Time is hot. The place is hot. We're gonna be around the back here a lot. So you're gonna see us a lot around the back. Yeah? Blaze already, guys. Alright guys, so these are the sweet potato and the yam that we are about to roast. Place windy, see? Oh my lord, and I'm loving it. Alright, so we'll go back to the fire with this and also come. Country man, them man here, you know, man, you know about roasting.
Now you can put it on the fire too, you know, but for better control, you put it on top. Yes guys, we are around the back as you already know, and we are doing our roasting of yellow yam. And as you also know, yellow yam is a big name yam in Jamaica, so much that we associate with Usain Bolt, speed. But yellow yam is not only the yam that we produce in Jamaica. You have other yam which you can roast, like self-rinsing yam and
white yam.
Afro yam is the same white yam.
Okay.
Yeah. Pum yam. Yeah.
I heard that one before, the pum yam.
But this is a sweet yellow yam, and yellow yam is preferable to roast. People prefer it when it roasts because it have a dry sensation about eating it when you roast it, and it go well with the roast saltfish also.
Yeah, man, it's nice with saltfish.
Good combination. So we choose yellow yam because we're going with the saltfish also, so we have a good combination. So stick and stay with us, guys. So we're checking our potato and yellow yam. Yes guys, as we go along, turn them.
So you don't think you need something on your hand?
No man, it's a Jamaica man with a real tough lip man them there. You burn and you brush it off. You brush it off. Set it like that.
Oh my lordy. So we are catching a little color here. Don't reach anywhere as yet, but we have to keep turning it so that it's soaked properly. That's the aim. If anything, we just throw them off of the grill here and just throw them in the fire itself. What do you think? That can go on too. Alright now guys, so the fire stop blazing thing. So we put down this, we put down the food on the direct coal. Yeah, we put down the sweet potato and the yam and the direct coal because we want the coal to penetrate through it. The heat to penetrate through it, you know. So I eat that.
And the smoke, make a nice flavor. So
yeah, smoke, right. You know, when I forgot the smoke. Same thing I got happen when the saltfish are roast, you know. Saltfish are got infused with the smoke of the wood. Yeah man. So I eat that, guys. Alright, so see it now, some natural thing. And that we're going to eat with the saltfish. But you want now, I just want to wash them off and cut them up. I'm going to just wash them right after the tail, although the tail is clean and thing, but yeah. Alright, so I just have to cut up some natural seasoning here, guys.
This reminds me of the days when I was a little boy. I used to go ground with my granduncle, Mr. Myers. I used to do everything right on the table, no plate, everything just natural.
For real, man. can't leave out with pepper. So yam still a roast. Sweet potato still a roast. Soon time for roast with saltfish. Alright, so I'm going to get a plate for those now. This is our natural seasoning, guys. You don't know the saltfish don't have it little salt in it, and you know it I got infuse this. Give it a nice taste, give it a nice balance. That balance out the thing, yeah? So we don't need nothing on this. Irie. Alright, so I'll saltfish this now, guys. You know, we remove this out of the water. Yeah? And we're not going to scale it, we're not going to do nothing, we only are going to dry it. We are trying to dry it. Alright now guys, so we're just going to rinse this off and pack dry it and throw them on the wood. So once you roast your saltfish, you don't need to scale it. Don't need to scrape out the scale. Alright, I eat that. Alright, so we just are going to pat dry this. Just to remove some of the excessive water before we throw it on the coal. So come along guys, we're going to put this on the coal right about now, on the wood coal. I would say wood coal because a wood and it burnt the coal. We need the wood to infuse that scent and that taste into the saltfish. Alright, come along guys. Yeah, put it on the alright, we're roast the saltfish now. Yam nice roast on the ear, so I wait pan it. Alright, now I finish right about now. Nice and lovely. Our lovely piece of saltfish. Just done roast. So we just have a scrape off the scale off of the saltfish right about now. Before we dive into it.
I scrape off everything because the scale has some of the salt and it gives that flavor also to eat with the yam, because remember the yam don't have any salt, so it's kind of fresh. So this is what's going to give it a nice combination.
Kind of fresh, fresh. The yam fresh.
Yeah man, so do that. Out of yard there. Back of yard there.
Roasting. Roasting and eating in the summer.
Good to go, the chef of the taste.
So me no want to taste it. It's a good piece of my mouth, no? Me no want to taste it too. Good to go. Alright now, so I scrape off with sweet potato. Give it a little scrape. Welcome to Jam Dong. This is what happening in Jam Dong. So we're not scrape off everything, you know, guys. Because guess what? We're hungry and we just want to eat. You know, we just brush off a little of the excessive blackness. Now for the true tester of the yam. Alright, hold up that. Let me see. Let me show my viewers them. Alright, see yam there. Nice roast yellow yam. I black up everything, babes. All the inside part, I black up. All that black up so. Look at this, guys. Whoa. So this is our roast yam, roast sweet potato, and saltfish. We're diving into some of this here now, guys. Outside I do it. Some real Jamaican food them here, you know. Trust me. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this is Jamaican lifestyle. Remember the song that say, when you roast the yellow yam, and you roast the yellow yam, and you slice it in two, and you slice it in two. Oh, nice it will be.
How nice it will be.
With me saltfish.
With me saltfish. Alright, guys, we're going to dive into some of this right here now. We're going to do some yammins. Alright. Do that. So you deal with your yam?
Yeah, man. Real thing.
Mm-hmm.
Jamaican backyard. These are some of the benefits you get when you grow yam and eat your yam yourself. Roast. Everything yard man style. With that yard but with that bush. That's how we do it with that bush. One difference that is a piece of stick and a banana leaf. But still authentic.
Yard man style. Backyard. How we this now? I digest this, you know.
Love. And we're about to do it, dive in it. So.
Alright, guys, so you don't know we're around here diving our roast yam and with sweet potato. Sweet potato nice, you see. Call that yellow. Huh? What? Starfish, roast starfish. Gummy. Roast yam. So catch you all again on the next dish. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following me. Thank you for just commenting, guys. I appreciate all the comments. Alrighty.